This video will show you how to set up final grade calculations using category weighting in PowerTeacher Pro. High school teachers must define the final grade calculations for each class they teach. A final grade calculation must be set up for each reporting term. That is, both T1 and S1 calculations must be set up for a Semester 1 course. T1 stands for Term 1, or the November report card. S1 stands for Semester 1, or the January report card. For second semester, T3 stands for Term 3, or the April report card, and S2 stands for Semester 2, or the June report card. For full year courses, Y1 stands for Year 1, or the June report card. By setting up each reporting term, a final grade will be auto-calculated, and the teacher will be able to add a comment for each term without overwriting the previous data. Teachers can save time by copying final grade calculations across classes and reporting terms. Category weighting is used when teachers want final grade calculations to draw entirely from categories that have been created by the district or the teacher. Categories must be created before the calculation formula can be set, and points or percent must be used as the score type when creating assignments. Step 1. Click Settings in the Charms bar. Step 2. Select Final Grade Calculations. Step 3. Select a course by clicking on the arrow to the left of the course name. Step 4. Click the pencil icon in the Actions column in the first reporting period of the course, that is T1, to change the final grade calculations from total points to category weighting. Step 5. In the Type column, click on the drop-down menu and select Category Weighting. Step 6. In the Attribute column, click the drop-down menu and select a category that will be included in the final grade calculation. Step 7. Click the plus sign icon. Select Category Weighting and select another category. Note, to delete a category, click the negative or minus sign to its right. Step 8. Repeat Step 7 until all categories are added. Step 9. In the Weight column, enter a value for each category. Note, the Weight column is set up as a ratio of all categories that will be included in the final grade calculation. The percent column will display the weight of each category as a percentage. The default is a weight of 1, which gives me 20% in each of my 5 categories. If I want to change the weightings, I do it in the Weight column. Here, my cumulative assessment is worth 20% of the entire course grade. Step 10, click Save. Step 11, to copy a final grade calculation from one term to another or from one class to another, go to the gear at the top right of the page. Click Copy Final Grade Calculations. I'm going to copy terms within a class. From the class that I am in, Category Weighting, reporting term T1 to S1 within the same class. Click Validate. Click Copy. My blue warning bins have disappeared. This video has demonstrated how to set up final grade calculations using category weighting in PowerTeacher Pro.